Which statement or statements for group 2 elements is or are correct? 1. The second ionization energy of magnesium is greater than the second ionization energy of calcium. 2. A strontium ion, Sr2+, contains a total of 6 electrons in s orbitals. 3. The equation for the reaction of barium with water is 2Ba plus 2H2O goes to 2BaOH plus hydrogen. A. 1, 2 and 3. B. Only 1 and 2. C. Only 2 and 3. Or D. Only 1. So we're going to look at each of these questions individually. So looking at the first statement, the second ionization energy of magnesium is greater than the second ionization energy of calcium. So this statement is correct, and that's because calcium is larger than magnesium, or magnesium is smaller. And because magnesium is smaller, it's got a greater nuclear attraction, and that's because it's closer to the nucleus, so it's going to require more energy to remove another electron and create this Mg2+ ion. So this first statement is correct, and so we can eliminate C as a possible answer. Then looking at number 2, strontium ion Sr2+ contains a total of 6 electrons in s orbitals. So if we write out the electron configuration for strontium first, that's going to be 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 3p6, 4s2, 3d10, 4p6, 5s2. And because we're making a 2+ ion, we need to remove 2 of these electrons, and that's going to be our 5s2 electrons we remove. So if we then count how many electrons are in s orbitals, we have 2, 4, 6, 8. 8 electrons in s orbitals. So it's not 6, it's 8. So this statement is not correct. So we can eliminate A and B. So now finally looking at 3, we know it's going to be wrong because we can't have it being right, but we do need to double check. So barium is in group 2, so its hydroxide is going to be BaOH2 in order to balance it, because OH has a 1- charge and Ba has a 2+. And then we're going to add hydrogens, these are our products, and we're reacting with barium and water. So balancing this equation, we need 2 waters. So this is the correct reaction of barium with water and not the one we've been given in number 3. So this is also not correct. So that means our answer is D, and to get the mark for this question, you need to write D in the answer box provided.